Evening, sir.
Good evening, Harsh.
Evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. So, slowly, we have reached our class number 14. And we have done actually, I think, 8 classes, 1 to 8. Then ninth was revision. I think 10th and 11th were exam.
Exam, yes, sir.
And then 12, 13, and 14, 3 classes again. So today is our 11th class, if you count the classes, and overall it is number 14. Abhinav will confirm how many classes we took in exam, 2 or 3? Abhinav? How many classes we have taken in exams, 2 or 3? Anyone? Harsh, Abhinav?
Yes, sir. We have taken 2 exam in test and 1 or 2 in the checking and
So total how many? 2 or 3? 3. Okay, leave it.
2 classes, sir.
2 classes I doubt, because 2 classes I took for exams, then I think 1 class
And
for checking.
revision,
Ah,
checking,
no. So revision is 1, 2 for the exam, because
exam.
there were many questions and 1 class was not enough. And then I believe 1 for checking it. Okay. So last class was on modals and imperative mood. I told all of you to make one index so that you can write class 1 which chapter, class 2 which chapter. One summary has to be there, right? So whichever notebook you are having, on your notebook, please prepare one index so that you can always remember how many chapters we have done till now. And after preparing that index, click a photo and send it to me, right? So from day 1 till I think today is day 14 or day 15, I don't know. So you can check.
14, sir.
Write day wise. Day 1 which chapter, day 2 what, day 3 what, day 8 what, day 9 revision, day 10 exam, day 11 exam, like that. So you will have a track what is going on, what all things you have studied. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I will get an index tonight or by tomorrow.
Sir, I had already wrote all the things day-wise in my diary.
Okay.
But it is in the middle of the diary. It is in the middle of the diary.
It's okay.
And
It's
before
okay.
the
It's okay.
and before written it, that is, I use minimum more than 100 not 50 pages for the words. So I have to make the index for words also.
No. Only for my classes. That's it. Means
Okay, I will.
you
Yes.
should have one record that since starting, since beginning, Day 1, what you studied. Day 2, what you studied. Your complete study guide, index for that.
Okay, sir. I will make and I will send it.
By tomorrow, I will request all 3 of you to send me the index so that we'll be clear. What all, how many classes, what all chapters, everything will be ready. 5 golden rules. It has to be followed on a daily basis, and self-motivation, very, very important, so that you are charged up for the entire day. Now, today we are starting a new chapter, which is called question words. They are also called WH words. Fine. Anybody who has heard this name before?
Yes, sir.
You have heard. Okay. How many question words are there? Who will answer?
Accurate, I can't say, but I know about it.
Okay. Abhinav, any idea? Question words? Harsh? I think I requested on the group also that in class, when I am keeping my camera on, when the teacher is keeping camera on and students are keeping camera off, which type of class is this? I am unable to find out who is there, who is sleeping, who is studying. Nothing is clear. Okay, Harsh, have you heard about question words? I don't know. Where is he? Camera also is off and there's no reply. Okay, so these are the question words: what, who, how, which, when, where, why, whose, and whom. So there are total 9 of them. There are 9 question words. So generally what we do, whenever we make a sentence, an interrogative sentence, we make it with the help of auxiliary verb or helping verb, like I am going. Am I going? But if you want to ask specific questions, then we use these question words. Every out of 9, every one of them, they have a different purpose where we use them. Like what? What we use for general information. What is your name? What idea you are having, right? What is the name of this train? So for general information, we use what? क्या? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? इस ट्रेन का नाम क्या है? तुम्हारे पास क्या आइडिया है? Right? So we use what. I think what is also the most popular question word. Second one is who. Who we use only for living beings. सिर्फ लोगों के लिए, व्यक्ति के लिए हम who का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Who is on the door? Who is ringing the bell? Who is studying in that room? Who has brought this thing? Right? Who has done this? जब भी हमको लगता है कि कोई आदमी इन्वॉल्व है इस काम में, there's a person who is involved, but we are not sure. That time we use who. How? How का मतलब है कैसे? Whenever we are trying to find out the way, the manner in which that work is done, we use how. How you have come here? तुम यहाँ कैसे आए हो? How you are going to do this? तुम इस काम को कैसे करोगे? Right? How difficult is this? ये कितना difficult है? So whenever there is a manner and all, we use how. Which का use हम कहाँ करते हैं? जब भी हमको choose करना होता है. We have so many options, and out of those options, we have to choose one. Okay, which color you will choose? Which book is yours? Right? In which country you live? यानी कि आपके पास बहुत सारे options हैं, उसमें से आपको choose करना है. Which is your favorite subject? There are so many subjects. Which one is your favorite? जब आपके पास काफी सारे options हैं, you have to choose one. Then हम use करते हैं which. कौन सा? तुम्हारा कौन सा सबसे favorite चीज है? Which sports person you like the most? Then which. When बड़ा क्लियर है, जहां भी टाइम का यूज होगा, टाइम के बारे में पूछेंगे when. समय, दिन, जो भी समय, मतलब जहां भी समय आएगा, वो कब आया था? When he had come. When you are going to Patna. When you are going to sleep. When this work is going to be over. जहां भी समय, वहां पर when. Very, very easy. Where. Where का कहां पर इस्तेमाल करेंगे? स्थान, जगह. Where do you live? Where are you going? Where you want to sleep? So whenever there is a place involved, जगह, तो वहां पर where आएगा. जहां पर हम पूछते हैं क्यों, ये काम क्यों हुआ? Why you have done this? Why you are late? हम किसी चीज के पीछे का कारण पूछते हैं. What is the cause? इसके पीछे क्या कारण है? Then we use why. Why you have done this? Why are you going? Why you are upset? Why you are sad? सब जगह पर why आएगा. Whose का इस्तेमाल हम करते हैं when ownership, उसका मालिक कौन है. So whose book is this? ये किसकी किताब है? Whose book is this? Whose car is this? ये कार किसकी है? तो जहां पर possession, कौन इसका मालिक है, कौन इसका ओनर है, when we are asking for that, then we use whose. And last है whom. Whom को समझने के लिए you have to understand who and whom. अगर जिसके बारे में हम पूछ रहे हैं वो सब्जेक्ट में है, तो हम यूज करेंगे who. Who is at the door? दरवाजे पे कौन है? Who is ringing the bell? घंटी कौन बजा रहा है? Who has done this? इस काम को किसने किया है? तो यहां पे क्या है? Who is subject. क्वेश्चन है, हमको नहीं मालूम कि वो कौन है, बट वो सब्जेक्ट की जगह पर है who. अगर वही सवाल ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह पे रहेगा, then we will use whom. थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है. सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे आएगा तो who और ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह पे आएगा तो whom. For whom you have prepared this dish. For whom you have prepared this dish. यहां पर सब्जेक्ट you है. तुमने किसके लिए ये डिश बनाया है? For whom. For whom you are waiting. तुम किसके लिए वेट कर रहे हो? तो यहां पर हम तुमसे, उस आदमी से पूछ रहे हैं, you are waiting. तो you is confirm, वो कौन है, बट किसके लिए वो नहीं मालूम है. That is a question. So वहां पे हमने whom इस्तेमाल कर दिया. तो अगर सब्जेक्ट ही अननोन है, वी आर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन फॉर सब्जेक्ट, दरवाजे पे कौन है, घंटी कौन बजा रहा है, ये किसने किया है, तो हम हु का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. और जब हम किसी से पूछते हैं किसी और के बारे में, तुमने खाना किसके लिए बनाया, तुम किसके लिए तैयार हो रहे हो, राइट, तुम किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो, तुम किसका, तो किसका के लिए वी यूज whom. What, who, how, which, when, where, why, whose, whom. They are called question words. और एक important बात और, whenever you are using these question words in a sentence, अगर उस sentence में एक helping verb है, तो helping verb इसके बाद आएगा. जैसे you are eating, अब मुझे लगाना है इसमें what, तुम क्या खा रहे हो, तो बनेगा what are you eating. जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब आर है वो इसके बाद आ जाएगा. What are you eating? What you are eating रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ये गलती मैं भी करता हूं, ये गलती बहुतों से हो जाती है. When you are coming, when you are coming, तुम कब आ रहे हो, when you are coming रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. When are you coming, आर पहले आएगा उसमें. ठीक है.
Yes.
What do you do? Where are you going? Why are you doing this? Right? तो इन सब में हेल्पिंग वर्ब इनके बाद आएगा. ये हमेशा याद रखना है. राइट? अदरवाइज अगर आप हेल्पिंग वर्ब को बाद में ले जाएंगे, सो इट विल बी क्वेश्चन वर्ड प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट and then verb and then object.
Plus subject.
Okay, so now this is very, very clear. So once again, after this class is over, please once रिवाइज, एक बार आप रिवाइज कर लेंगे तो क्या होगा, दिमाग में फ्रेश हो जाएगा. नाउ कमिंग टू, आई एम गिविंग यू टू थिंग्स. वन इज कॉल्ड पैराफ्रेजिंग. पैराफ्रेजिंग, ये आपकी पीडीएफ में आपको मिल जाएगा, बिकॉज यू हैव सैटरडे विथ यू, you have Sunday with you. We are going to meet again on Monday. I want you to explore paraphrasing, and second is elliptical sentence. ये दोनों के बारे में जरा आप जानकारी प्राप्त कीजिए. And please let me know what do you understand by paraphrasing and elliptical sentence. ठीक है, ये इसका नाम सुना था पहले कभी? Anybody who has heard this name?
No, sir.
Paraphrasing
No, sir.
first time, elliptical sentence first time. They are part of English grammar. So let me check if you can find it and if you can understand them. In the next class, I am going to discuss paraphrasing also and elliptical sentence also. Right? Yeah, dono aapka homework hai. Now coming to verb forms, be ready with your pen and paper. We have done lie, lay, lain, or lie, lied, lied. Ride, rode, ridden. Rise, rose, risen. See, saw, seen. And shake, shook, shaken. And today we have lay. Lay ke baare mein I told you in the last class. Please lay the table. A hen has laid the egg. मुर्गी ने अंडा दिया है. तो टेबल को रेडी करना, टेबल पे कुछ बिछाना. ले द टेबल मैट, टेबल मैट को बिछाओ. सो बिछाने को, टेबल को तैयार करने को हम ले बोलते हैं, और अंडा देने को भी हम ले बोलते हैं. स्टील, यू ऑल नो, चोरी करना. स्पीक मतलब बोलना. स्वेयर, स्वेयर का यूज क्या, कहां यूज करते हैं? एनीवन?
What, sir? Sure.
शपथ लेना या कसम लेना. वेरी गुड. एंड टीयर, टीयर इज farna. So quickly please write V2 and V3 of all these 5 verb forms. Lay, steal, speak, swear, and tear.
Done, sir.
Okay. Harsh, done? Okay, I don't know. Where is he? So we'll see. So lay, laid, laid. Steal, stole, stolen.
Right.
Speak, spoke, spoken.
Right.
Swear, swore, sworn.
Right.
And tear, tore, torn.
Swear, I was incomplete on swear.
Okay. So swear and tear both are almost similar format, similar structure. Okay.
Yes.
So now going for pronunciation. Okay, my numbering has gone wrong. Okay, anyway. Okay, so now see, the first one is fret. Fret का मतलब होता है, anyone? Fret. Fret का मतलब होता है किराया.
So display is not visible.
You are not getting the display.
Kiraya.
Fret.
Now I got.
Now you got it. Fret का मतलब होता है किराया. जब हम रेलगाड़ी में या जहाज में सामान को बुक करते हैं, वहां पे we use fret for the, किराया के लिए हम fret यूज करते हैं. Okay, fret. Second is gesture. Gesture यानी कि हमारा हाव भाव. When we talk or when we stand and we are moving our hands, our facial expressions, our body language, that हाव भाव को हम बोलते हैं gesture.
Gesture.
इसमें raw नहीं है लास्ट में, important. Gesture. अगला है, हाँ, tell me.
Sir, freight and the rent is the synonyms.
Fret and
Freight and rent.
देखिए, आप इसको सिनोनिम एक तरीके से बोल सकते हैं. हिंदी में दोनों के लिए किराया शब्द है, बट इंग्लिश में दोनों का दो मतलब है. रेंट का जनरली हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं मकान के किराए के लिए, एंड रेलगाड़ी और जहाज से सामान भेजने का जो किराया होता है उसके लिए हम फ्रेट यूज करते हैं, राइट। एंड अगर हम बोलते हैं कि बस का किराया, तो हम बोलते हैं, हम यूज करते हैं फेयर, FARE, बस फेयर, टिकट, ट्रेन फेयर, एयर फेयर।
Yes.
अगर किसी आदमी के जाने का किराया पूछते हैं तो FARE फेयर, सामान को भेजने का किराया को
School fees.
फ्रेट। हाँ, okay, so freight, gesture. Third one is gigantic. Gigantic का मतलब होता है बहुत बड़ा, विशालकाय। This is
Sir, huge.
Who is this? This is a new person. He has come. Who are you? Asus. I don't know who is he. If he will not announce his name, I will remove him. Okay. Gigantic का मतलब समझ में आ गया, विशालकाय। This is a gigantic building. Now generic. Generic is the new one. Generic का हम generally use करते हैं, एक मिनट पहले, let me remove this person. Okay, 1 minute. Oh. Okay, gigantic is done. Now generic. Generic का इस्तेमाल हम करते हैं generic medicine. आप देखेंगे बहुत इसका नाम आता है बार बार, generic medicine shop. यानी कि जो आम है, जिसका कोई खास ब्रांड नहीं है, जिसका कोई नाम नहीं है, they are called generic. इसका इसीलिए जो दाम है वो बहुत कम होता है. Generic, without any brand, without any you can say स्पेशल ब्रांडिंग, जो सबके लिए कॉमन है, यूनिवर्सल है, अवेलेबल एवरीवेयर, जेनरिक, वहां पे इसका इस्तेमाल होता है. गोल्फ, यू ऑल नो, इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, गोल्फ. एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द लास्ट वन, गवर्नमेंट. प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, सी इट इज सो डिफरेंट. गवर्नमेंट. सो फ्रेट, जेस्चर, जाइगेंटिक, जेनेरिक, golf, government. All are mainly common one, but the pronunciation is different. Now going to the next one, that is the spoken English video, which I will send you. Nothing to worry about that. Now quickly I will give you 1 minute. In 1 minute you have to write words related to spices in the kitchen. We use so many spices in our kitchen. Please quickly write name of spices in English. Dhania, jeera, saunf, methi, all these in English. Let me see how many you can write. Quickly, you have 1 minute. बहुत कुछ है. Just think about दालचीनी है, सौंठ है, अदरक है. There are so many spices in kitchen. Try to write as many as possible. जावित्री है, और क्या है?
आप सर सिर्फ हिंदी बोल रहे हैं।
अमचूर, हाँ तो मैं तो हिंदी बोलूंगा ना, मैं थोड़ी इंग्लिश बोलने वाला हूँ। इंग्लिश आपको लिखना है। अमचूर है, सरसों है, राई है, मंगरेल है। ओके, टाइम अप। अभिनव, प्लीज टेल मी योर लिस्ट। हर्ष, टेल मी योर लिस्ट।
So my list is red chili,
Okay.
turmeric,
Mm-hmm.
coriander,
Mm-hmm.
black pepper,
Mm-hmm.
cumin,
Okay.
clove,
Mm-hmm.
and fenugreek.
Fenugreek, very good. Keep your camera on. Yes, Radha ma'am, your list.
Coriander, chili, cumin seed, fenugreek, mustard, salt, clove, cardamom, turmeric, bay leaf, cinnamon, kitchen king, ginger, garlic, mango powder.
Very good. Now, once this class is over, if any Hindi word is in your mind and you have not got the English of that, please find out. If you have any problem, drop me a message. I will give you the name. Okay? Fine. Going to the next one. That is your dictation. So be ready with your pen and paper. I'm going to give you dictation.
Yes, ready.
Okay, ready? The first one is lame. Lame का मतलब लंगड़ा, लंगड़ा, lame.
Sir,
Lame, lame का मतलब लंगड़ा.
Yes.
Lame का एक बड़ा अच्छा सेंटेंस है. I will tell you. If someone is giving you a very bad excuse, कोई आपको बहुत ही बकवास रीजन देता है, तो you can say, please do not give me a lame excuse. हम वहां पर इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज डिस्कॉर्ड. डिस्कॉर्ड मतलब आपस में डिफरेंसेस, आपस में तनातनी, आपस में झगड़ा, डिफरेंसेस, उसको हम बोलते हैं डिस्कॉर्ड. एंड देयर इज अ वेरी नाइस फ्रेज, एप्पल ऑफ डिस्कॉर्ड. मतलब दो लोगों के बीच में झगड़े की वजह, apple of discord. This land is an apple of discord for those two brothers. Apple of discord. Number 3 is fist. Fist का मतलब मुट्ठी. Fist. Fist. Number 4 is consequence. Consequence यानी कि परिणाम. I don't know the consequence of this fight. Consequence. Next is nutshell. Nutshell यानी संक्षेप में. Please tell me this story in nutshell. मुझे संक्षेप में कहानी बताओ. Nutshell. Next one is seize. Seize का मतलब खत्म करना, समाप्त करना. Please seize. Seize the war. इस वॉर को समाप्त करो. एंड वी हैव क्या कहते हैं, आग बुझाने का एक अपने पास ये भी है, एक आता है सीज फायर. यस, सीज फायर यानी कि आग को समाप्त करना. सीज फायर. अगला है सी.
I want to ask.
टेल मी.
डिस्कार्ड का मीनिंग सर?
डिस्कॉर्ड का मतलब डिफरेंसेस, आपस में अनबन. डिफरेंसेस, अनबन होना. हाँ, डिस्कॉर्ड. एक हो गया सीज मतलब समाप्त करना. वन मोर सीज, अगला वर्ड है सीज मतलब किसी चीज पे कैप्चर कर लेना. ही सीज्ड माई लैंड, उसने मेरी जमीन पे कब्जा कर लिया. सीज. सो वन सीज इज समाप्त करना, दैट इज नंबर 6. एंड 7th इज सीज मतलब कैप्चर करना, कब्जा करना, seize. 8 is deceive. Deceive का मतलब होता है धोखा देना. Deceive. He deceived me. उसने मुझे धोखा दिया. Deceive. Deceive. Next one is defiance. Defiance. Defiance का मतलब होता है किसी चीज को ना मानना, किसी चीज का खुला प्रतिरोध करना, यानी कि खुल करके किसी चीज का विरोध करना, डिफायंस. एंड द लास्ट वन इज स्वैलो, निगलना, स्वैलो. नाउ क्विकली आई विल रिवाइज. लेम, डिस्कॉर्ड, फिस्ट, consequence, nutshell, seize 1, seize 2, deceive, defiance, and swallow. Now I'm going to share the screen. Please check.
नहीं उसमें नहीं, उसके नीचे.
Please check and let me know the score.
Sir, my one is wrong.
One is wrong.
Yes, sir. Defense, sir.
Okay.
Mine, sir, 3 is wrong.
Okay. Abhinav, are you there or still struggling? Today Abhinav is facing problem. Okay, eighth one is Life is Beautiful. I will send you the video of this. Now activity. This activity is going to be important because this is going to be a part of your exam. Now, these are different types of doctors. Can do operations. एक ऐसा डॉक्टर जो कि ऑपरेशन कर सकता है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Surgeon.
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 Yes, sir, surgeon.
Surgeon.
Okay.
Yes, sir, surgeon.
ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ हार्ट, जो दिल का इलाज कर सकता है.
Neurologist, no. Neurologist, sir. Cardiologist.
Okay. Next one is deals with skin problem, जो चमड़े का डॉक्टर है.
Dermatologist. Dermatologist.
डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट. वेरी गुड. डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, पाचन तंत्र का इलाज करता है.
Diagnosis. I not come from gastro.
गैस्ट्रोएंट्रोलॉजिस्ट. ओके. जो किडनी का एक्सपर्ट,
Neurologist.
नेफ्रोलॉजिस्ट. एंड आंख का डॉक्टर इज ophthalmologist. So I have given you only 6 types of doctors: surgeon, cardiologist, dermatologist, gastroenterologist, nephrologist, ophthalmologist. ऐसे बहुत हैं. Radiologist, right?
Yes.
Gynecologist, जो लेडीज की होती है वो होता है. ऐसा बहुत सारा है.
Physician.
ओके. सो हर चीज, ENT का अपना अलग है, ENT स्पेशलिस्ट, राइट? सो व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट दैट गो फॉर फ्यू मोर टाइप्स ऑफ डॉक्टर्स. कुछ अपने से भी आप 3, 4, 5 पढ़ने का प्रयास कीजिए. दिस इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट. वी शुड नो which name is for
Sir,
which type of doctor.
Sir, please don't change the page. Let I take the screenshot.
So why you are taking a screenshot? I'm going to give you the PDF. There's no need of screenshot.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And now coming to the homework. The homework is going to be, so interview your mom using WH words. That is for Harsh and Abhinav. For Radha ma'am, it will be interview your daughter using WH words. Means you have to ask 9 questions to your mom, to your daughter, using all these WH words. And please write those questions. Please write those questions in advance. Ask the question and write their answer. Make it a proper interview. So make your 9 questions ready. Ask those 9 questions, listen to their answers, and write the answers also. So one complete interview will be done. Good night card, I think I have described, I have told, but still, Abhinav and Harsh, you have not sent me. Radha ma'am has sent me half.
Sir, my mother is in the village and I am in Muzaffarpur. So can I ask this question to my brother?
Yes, you can. You can ask your Mausi. Your Mausi is there.
Yes.
Ask your Mausi. Okay. Follow 5 golden rules. Keep revising verb forms, pronunciation words, and dictation words. And last one was same imperative, mood, and modals. So now thank you card is pending. And I'm not telling you thank you card because till the time good night card is not ready, there's no point of giving you one more card. Thank you card is...
Sir, I wrote the...
You wrote your good night card.
I wrote the qualities.
Okay, but you have not seen me, na? I have not seen it.
Backside is empty now.
Okay, so you complete first, then we will discuss. Okay, not to worry. Now, this is the important notice. GD on Monday. On Monday, we are going to have group discussion. So what I will do, today or tomorrow, I will send you few videos on GD. Few important points of GD. What to do, what not to do, right? And I will give you a topic also by Sunday. And Monday evening, we are going to have group discussion. There will be a common topic, and then you can discuss on that topic and try to find out a summary, a conclusion. So Monday, we will discuss paraphrasing. We will discuss elliptical sentences, which I have given you.
What sentence? What sentence?
Elliptical. You will get the PDF. Don't worry. On PDF,
no,
it is there, ma'am.
Okay.
I will send you the PDF. So why to worry? Why to worry? I'll say, okay. So paraphrasing 1, elliptical sentences 2, interview what you have done number 3, and then GD. If your good night card is ready, then I will also tell you thank you card. So all these activities we are going to do on Monday. So there are 2 videos which I will send you, which is on group discussion. I will send you. So one video is on very small students. They are discussing, they are doing GD. Okay. So that is the thing. And I have got marks from Radha ma'am and Abhinav. Harsh, how you have sent me marks without getting your spoken English question checked, without getting your thirsty crow checked. I think I told in the class that take a time, talk to me, and get your answer checked. Everyone has done that.
Sir, I have the network problem.
You are in Muzaffarpur. You are in a village.
Yes, sir.
Muzaffarpur, you are having a network problem.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. You are where are you living? Which area?
Sir, Chhata Chowk.
Chhata Chowk. Chhata Chowk mein kahan se hoga bhai problem network ka? I cannot believe in this. Okay. I can't believe anyway. But if you are telling, then I don't have any other option. Okay. So your Harsh ka abhi bhi jo marks hai wo incomplete hai because you have not got checked your 3 questions. Whenever your network is working fine, please drop me a message. Take the time, get your answers checked, and then send me the final score.
Sir. Till I have checked in the class, I have sent you the marks.
Please get your thirsty crow, spoken English question, and I think E2E and idioms and phrases checked. Then only you can give the right marks. Fine.
Sir, can I talk to you after class?
Drop me a message, Harsh. Not now, please. Drop me a message. Okay, so that's it for today. We are meeting on Monday with all these activities which I told you. I will send you the PDF and all videos link in the night itself. Thank you very much. Good night. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, yeah, sir, can I ask one question out of this class?
So